Hello everyone. Today we are discuss about ESTC, the courses we provided, and the program CNC Programming Turning. Electronic Service and Training Center has been established as a Government of India society registered in April 1986. We provide training and services in the field of computer, electronics, mechanical, electrical, PCB design, and manufacturing. Recently, we have launched ESTC Polytechnic in the field of mechanical engineering and electrical engineering. We also provide some courses such as certificate course in CNC milling, certificate course in CNC turning, NILIT A-level computer course, NILIT O-level computer course, computer hardware repair, maintenance and networking, electrical CAD, PCB design and manufacturing, certificate course in machine operation, basic welding techniques, post diploma in industrial automation and robotics, optical fiber splicer, advanced diploma in machine maintenance and automation, embedded system design, handheld products, domestic cum industrial electrician, room air conditioner and home appliances, solar PV installer, solar energy technology and applications, Tele 9.0 with GST, advanced Tele with GST, computer typing in both Hindi and English language, core Java and Java programming, C and C++ language. Now we're talking about CNC programming turning. CNC programming is utilized by computer manufacturers to create program instructions for computers to control a machine tool. CNC is highly involved in the manufacturing process and improves automation as well as flexibility. After completion of the course, the trainees who attend this course they should be able to understand the principle of CNC machines, understand applications and use of CNC turning machine, understand various concepts of work, geometry and tool offset, understand various tools used in CNC turning machine, understand various operations performed on CNC turning machine, understand programming of CNC turning machine. It includes all major turning cycles, understand basics of external programming and how to data transfer for a CAM software to CNC machine. In the session plan, we covered the topic in the day wise. In day one, we introduction of the program, then basic safety, importance of workplace safety, personal protective equipments, safety symbol, assignment, and last one is question and answer session. In the day 2, we revise the day 1 session and doubt clear session. Then types of fire extinguisher, usage of fire extinguisher, fire hazard and hazard checklist, fire prevention, method of fire prevention, electrical fire and its safety, first aid box, use of first aid box for mechanical injuries and electrical shock accident, assignment and Q&A session. In the day 3, we revise the day 2, introduction to bench work, tool, machinery, equipment, instruments and machine tools, basic hand tools, introduction and identify the parts of a file, hammer, chisel, etc. In the day 4, we revise the day 3 session and identify the feature and usage of surface plate, height gauge, angle plate, V block, scriber, etc. In the day 5, we cover workplace ethics, pressure at work, telephone etiquettes, listening skills, grooming and hygiene. In the day 6, we revise the day 5 and how to deal with irritate customer, how to conduct violate customer permissions, real life situation and an opportunity. Same as day 7, we revise the day 6 session, introduction to measuring instrument. The day 7 topic we covered on measuring instrument. In the day 8, we also covered some measuring instruments such as height gauges, bevel protector and different type of fits. In the day 9, we revised day 8 session, identify and select of drill machine, vice or clamp holding devices, drill chuck, sleeve, etc. In the day 10, we discuss about drill machine, different operation, coolants, taps. In the day 11, we revise the day 10 session and identify and knowing the function, features and usage of different part of a lathe machine. Study the drawing, identify and select material, machine tools and measuring instrument. Formation of cutting tool, selection of cutting tool to the center height, operation of facing, center drilling, turning, step turning, grooving, knurling, etc. In the day 12, we revise day 11 session and identify and knowing the function and features of different parts of milling machine and cutters, specification of milling machine, etc. In the day 13, we focused on grinding machine, different parts of grinding machine, different operations of grinding machine, and jigs and fixture. In the day 14, we revised day 13 session and introduction to CAD/CAM, its working area and benefits, introduction to engineering drawing and study of engineering drawing with all its aspects, different type of line, mechanical symbol, material symbol, etc. In the day 15, we revised day 14 session and introduction to CNC machine, its usage and benefits over conventional machine, introduction to CNC turning machine, various component and parts of CNC turning machine. In the day 16, we revised day 15 session and then introduction to the concept of offset, work tool and geometry offset in CNC turning machine, introduction to various tool and insert used in CNC turning machine. In the day 17, we discuss about various shapes and their name, which type of insert is used for which material, tolerance classes, geometry concept, grade concept, assignment and question and answer session. In the day 18, we revised day 17 session and introduction to CNC programming, basic programming structure, detail of CNC programming structures such as G code, M code, T, S, and other type of codes used in CNC turning machine. In day 19, we revised day 18 session and detail of CNC programming structure, detailed programming of CNC turning operation like simple turning in different type of controllers such as Fanuc, Cinumeric, and head and neck control. In the day 20, we revised the day 19 session and detailed programming of CNC turning in different type of controller. In the day 21, we revised the day 20 session and detailed programming of CNC facing, grooving in different type of controllers. In the day 22, we revised day 21 session and doubt clear session, detailed programming of CNC parting, drilling, boring, and threading. In day 23, we revised the day 22 session and concept of offline programming, use of CAM software or external programming station for programming. In the day 24, we revised all the day sessions and doubt clear session. After final exam, we completion of the course and feedback. Thank you.